Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can add a pop-up to your Elementor website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you will get on this site called Lsite. Lsite is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is pop-ups. So let's go to top right, sign up for free. Now you want to sign with the Gmail, Facebook or normal mail, that's completely up to you. And when you got it, click login. Right here, then you will be in applications and you want to simple write in search pop-up. Choose pop-up, let's create a widget. Now we have options to go between Black Friday or Christmas sale, even sales notifications or Black Friday coupon. I'm going to choose the Black Friday coupon here. And when I got it, let's continue with the template. Now you can simply edit literally everything, right? Image, title, text, coupon, button, everything, right? And then just go to top right, click save. When you edit the layout, display, the colors. Top right, click save. Right after, you do need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version. But if you're gonna have 5,000, 50,000, up to 5 million views, go with the basic pro enterprise. Let's copy the code here. And now what you have to do is just simply write search widget, HTML, take HTML, paste the code here, and paste the code. Right now, I'm going to preview the website. And voila, here you got it. This is the same thing, like if you would go here to your WordPress, and you would go to Appearance, Theme Editor, you can go to Theme Header, and simply add it to body, right? And just paste the code here. And click save, and voila, then you got it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See you.